Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your pop-up ads on Android. So most of us face the problem when you browse the internet through Google Chrome or any other internet browsers. We get some pop-up ads that are quite annoying. So in this video I'm going to show you how to remove those pop-up ads on your Android phone. So make sure you watch the video until the end so that you don't have any problems when you are doing this solution. So here first go to Google Chrome. Alright, so over here you can see the three dot icon. All you have to do is click over there and now click on settings. Alright, so once you're in your settings, what you have to do is scroll down and here you can see the option for site settings. All you have to do is click over here and scroll down once again. So over here you can see the notifications options. Click on notifications and here you have to disable these notifications so that you won't get any pop-up ads while browsing the internet. Now all you have to do is scroll down once again and over here you can see the option for intrusive ads. So here you can see it is allowed right now, so what you have to do is disable this. Alright, so once you have disabled that, let's head on to another settings. So over here you can see the option for notifications again. When you scroll down you can see this option. Click over here and over here you can see it is turned on. All you have to do is disable this and that's it. That is how you'll be able to turn off the pop-up ads on your Android phone. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.